Introducing Centerline by Hobart. Experience simplicity, reliability, and performance at an affordable price. The Centerline door-type dishwasher was designed for you. Simple to operate and maintain. Digital controls are easy to read. Able to fit into practically any dishroom environment. 51 racks per hour throughput to handle any challenge you can serve up. Achieve sustainability. Recirculating design significantly reduces water consumption versus fill and dump machines. Improved chemical handling and precision. Sanitation control not possible with a 3-compartment sink. Gain quality and performance with a high throughput, efficient design from the most trusted name in commercial dishwashing. The simple and reliable solution that your growing business needs. The Centerline door-type dishwasher by Hobart. Quality equipment that supports your high standards at a price that meets your budget.